Imagine a place where the tales of Maharajas and their majestic forts are not just stories from the past, but vivid chapters of the present. Welcome, my friends, to Jaipur, the pink city that blushes in the hues of history and thrives in the throes of modernity. If you crave adventure steeped in culture, you're in the right place. Let's journey through this royal land together. From the mighty ramparts of grandiose forts to the delicate flavors of traditional Rajasthani cuisine, Jaipur is a city that promises wonders at every turn. Join me as we discover the top things to do in Jaipur, at daybreak under the soft glow of the morning sun and beneath the twinkling stars of the desert night sky. We're about to embark on an unforgettable expedition into the heart of Rajasthan. Our royal rendezvous begins with the sentinels of Jaipur's skyline, its magnificent forts and palaces, each stone telling a story of valor and artistry. Take for example the Amer Fort, perched high on a hill like a crown jewel, where the blend of Rajput and Hindu architecture spins an alluring visual tale of opulence and power. Approach the Amber Fort the same way royalty did, on the back of a gracefully adorned elephant, climbing up the winding path to the fort. As you step inside, let the ornate halls, like Ganesh Pole or the stunning Mirror Palace, Sheesh Mahal, whisper secrets from centuries past. And with entry fees starting from just 25 rupees for locals and 200 rupees for foreigners, this piece of living history is accessible to all. Did you know, Jaipur has its own Great Wall, snaking around the Amer Fort? Standing here, you're privy to commanding views of the Aravalli Hills, a panorama that stretches across the horizon. And for those feeling intrepid, the trek to Bhuteshwar Nath Mahadev beckons, an excursion that promises both physical thrill and spiritual enrichment. Capture the quintessential Jaipur sunrise or sunset at Nahargarh Fort. Imagine the sky, a canvas, painted in strokes of vibrant oranges and pinks as you gaze upon the city below. It's an unmissable experience for early risers and romantics alike. Delving into Jaipur's urban landscape, you'll find an architectural mosaic that's a testament to its rich history. From the iconic Hawa Mahal, with its distinctive honeycomb structure and 953 windows, to the imposing city palace, it's clear that Jaipur is a city built for the gods. As we wander the sprawling city palace complex, it's easy to become enchanted by the blend of Rajput, Mughal, and European architectural styles. Don't miss the museums within, where you can admire regal costumes, armaments, and the most exquisite art collections, capturing the essence of royal life. And here we stand at Jantar Mantar, amidst the world's largest stone sundials and astronomical instruments that are as much art as science. Our knowledgeable guide will explain how these wonders were used to track stars and predict celestial events, still accurate after hundreds of years. Now, let's take to the streets with a knowledgeable local guide leading us through Jaipur's historical heart. From the architectural marvels such as the Patrika Gate with its kaleidoscopic frescoes to the serene waters surrounding Jal Mahal, discover the hidden gems and staple sites of this enchanting city. No visit to Jaipur is complete without a deep dive into its marketplaces. Feel the vibrancy of the pink city's artisan scenes in bazaars like Johari and Kishanpur, where everything from sparkling gemstones to hand-woven textiles beckons shoppers and curiosity seekers alike. Food is the gateway to a city's soul, and Jaipur's heart beats strong in its culinary offerings. Share a meal with us as we indulge in the mouth-watering samosas of street vendors, savor the intricate layers of flavor in a traditional Rajasthani thali, and sweeten the experience with world-famous Jaipuri sweets. After a day of exploration, repose in the lap of luxury at one of Jaipur's heritage hotels. The Rajmahal Palace or the opulent Ramba Palace, once home to Jaipur's royalty, are more than just places to stay. They are timeless experiences blending regal splendor with the comforts of modernity. Embark on enthralling activities unique to Jaipur. Immerse yourself in the ancient craft of batik printing, watching as patterns emerge from wax and dye, or observe the meticulous skill of emerald cutting, a lesser-known but fascinating aspect of Jaipur's artisan heritage. Before you set off on your Jaipur journey, remember, the city blooms from October to March, making it a perfect time to visit. navigate its streets and stories by taxi, or experience the novelty of the local metro. And in this city, it's wise to carry a little extra cash, as magical finds often await in unexpected corners. From the morning's golden glow at the ancient forts to the evening's bustling bazaars, Jaipur is a city eternally robed in wonder. Experience its festivals, its temples, and its gardens, each offering a unique slice of this cultural mosaic. Whether you're a history buff, a food lover, or simply in search of a royal adventure, Jaipur invites you to be a part of its vibrant tapestry. So pack your bags, bring your curiosity, and let the Pink City be your next unforgettable chapter. This is just a taste of what awaits. Come and savor the full experience. Until we meet again, may your travels be safe and stories many. Namaste. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more travel adventures.